I'm McArthur. I'm a NASA astronaut, and I'm the Chief Science Officer here at Space Center Houston.
Seconds here.
It was an amazing process because I don't often think about how to convey a message, particularly with artistic medium. I often use words to try to explain to people, or, technical drawings, but to use animation and to use colorful graphics was really exciting to have that back and forth conversation around how to discuss and how to display some kind of complicated concepts in a way that's fun and welcoming and engaging for people. So we tried to get into a fair amount of detail to find some of those really fun and exciting facts. Most of my experience, of course, is human spaceflight in what we call low Earth orbit, so near to Earth. So for me, it was a really fun process of digging into some of these missions to farther destinations in our solar system and really learning a lot about what are some interesting facts about these different destinations, and then how are scientists and engineers going about trying to discover these things on a planet that's so tremendously far away from our own. We really want people to learn something that interests them about the different missions in our solar system.
Columbia, Houston, we read you all loud and clear. This completes air-to-ground voice checks.